Founded in 2002 and based in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, CTS Engines is an independent jet engine MRO focused on supporting operators of mature engines worldwide. The company overhauls the CF650, CF680, and PW2000 engine types, operating in passenger, cargo, and military transport configurations. Since its founding, the company has invested tens of millions of dollars in developing MRO capabilities for mature commercial jet engines and is recognized globally as a leader in high-quality engine overhauls. The company's customers include blue-chip cargo and passenger operators, as well as major aerospace OEMs and the United States Air Force. Over the past 10 years, the company has received numerous awards from its customers for its outstanding customer service. The company operates lean production facilities in both Fort Lauderdale and Jupiter and is capable of performing in excess of 100 engine overhauls each year. In Fort Lauderdale, the company operates out of 3 buildings comprising 132,000 square feet of space. Fort Lauderdale is the company's headquarters and home of CTS's main engine service center, which is designed around a focus on division of labor and sustainable workflow. Over the past decade, the company has invested millions of dollars in lean principles and related enterprise resource planning systems, resulting in improved turnaround times, better engine performance, and less waste. The Engine Service Center maintains comprehensive in-house overhaul capabilities and is the only full-service MRO facility in North America that is solely focused on mature engine maintenance. In Jupiter, Florida, the company operates an outdoor test stand rated at 155,000 pounds of thrust, among the very largest in the world. At its test stand, CTS is capable of testing every high-bypass turbofan engine in commercial operation today and can perform return-to-service tests on the CF650, CF680A, and CF680C. In addition, the company has performed development tests on the CFM56-7B, Gen X2B, LEAP 1A, and LEAP 1B. The company's outdoor test stand was designed to produce the same level of data quality as OEM production test stands, and is the only non-OEM-owned commercial test stand in the world. Without question, CTS's greatest strength is its people and their can-do attitude. From its management through its technical staff, the entire CTS team shares the company's core values of focus, commitment, adaptability, and integrity, all in support of its mission statement to maintain its customers' mature engine fleets so long as they are in operation. The company is well known throughout North America, Europe, and Asia as a leader in mature jet engine overhauls and has received numerous awards for customer service, including the 2015 Boeing Supplier of the Year Award. Customers know that no matter how long they fly their mature fleet, CTS will be there to support them. In 2018, the company began overhauling the PW2000 in addition to the various CF6 models. Going forward, CTS will continue to add additional models to meet its criteria for mature engines, long-lived utilization, and customer demand. Engines such as the CF680E, PW4000, and GE90-115 are all potential development engines for CTS, as newer and newer models push these engine types into the mature category, thereby making them attractive investment opportunities for MRO work. Over the past 20 years, CTS has grown from a small CX650 module shop to a global independent leader for mature jet engine maintenance. Its customers know that its mission statement, to support mature engine fleets as long as they are in operation, is a genuine commitment, and that its core values of trust, integrity, quality, and honor form the basis of every project. As engines age, their maintenance becomes more challenging, and no other company is better equipped to meet this challenge than CTS Engines. For more information, please visit www.ctsengines.com.